The experience of using a broker as a beginner can be so challenging. Here we have a derive or derive. For some of you know it, for some of you don't know it. And if you don't have an account with derive or derive, please use the links that I provided on the description below or on the comment section below. If you don't see any of these links, please reach out to me. I also have a group, a WhatsApp group, a Telegram group that I share signals for free and also give you information that you need to start your journey in trading forex. But then if you are an advanced trader, you already have an account, but you are lacking as knowledge as to how to use this broker, because in trading we need a broker, but how to use a broker, it can be a challenging journey if you are new, because some of the features that are here you don't know how to use them. With derive or derive, it's simple. You first have to create your account, which is this account that we have over here, this demo account that we have over here. We can also choose to tap on demo and go to real account. We have what we call options. We have CFDs. CFDs, what's happening on CFDs, Boza? We have contracts for difference, which is the asset that we can trade here. Simple. In trading forex, we're trading under CFDs. Now, with derive or derive, it's simple to use this broker, because some of you will be asking, Boza, how to deposit, how to withdraw, how much money do I need to trade with derive, or how much money do I need to trade forex or start forex trading? Can I start trading forex with $10? What asset should I trade? And if right now I'm trading, or I'm trying to link my account to MetaTrader 5, I'm having an issue of authorization fail, not enough money, common error, many issues. Worry not. Derive, few steps that you need to take in actually opening an account, which is 4 simple steps. I actually provided a tutorial on step-by-step guide for you to open an account with Derive. So without any waste of time, under CFDs, this is where you get your MetaTrader 5 account. This is where you get MetaTrader 5 account. And for you to get in this position, because some of you, if you land on Derive, you land on this page. You will land on this page and you'll be confused as to, Posa, what's happening here? I'm confused. Worry not. You come to this 3 dot icon over here. You tap on it. You go to a Traders Hub. Traders Hub, if you're using a laptop, this is what you will see. Under CFDs, or the section of CFDs, this is where you see the MetaTrader 5 account. Unfortunately, we do not have a MetaTrader 4 account. And you cannot use TradingView to linking TradingView with Derive at the moment. However, that feature might be added in the future, but for now, it's not there. So we go to options. Options, when we open options, Derive Trader is where you see the options and multipliers, which is we have accumulators, vanillas, turbos, and multipliers. If we drag to the left, tap and hold, drag to the left, we see rise and high and fall and all that. But if we go back, we see a Derive bot. Some of you, I know, you are looking to trade with an app and you want to do everything on an app. Believe me, you can do that. But then we have what we call Derive Go here, which is a mobile app that is provided by Derive or Derive. We can click on open, but you can also download this platform from Google Play Store and Apple Store. I will provide a link in the description below so that you can be able to use Derive Go. But I do not recommend this platform, as it will give you issues or headaches on actually doing your analysis. So we can click on download now, and I'll provide the link for you to download, or come to this section for you to download, which is simple. So for me, click done. I don't prefer it, so we'll go back to Derive. Simple. Smart Trader, it's a legacy that is actually same as what is actually happening. So Derive or Derive, we were using what we call a binary .com before it moved to this website. So this is what you have to know at the moment. Now, we have CFDs. CFDs, you can get a standard account. Some of you will be asking, Boza, why are you having so many accounts? You have 5 accounts. I have these accounts. Financial, sub-free, zero account, gold, all these accounts, I have them. We have also Derive X, which is an account that you can have so that you can link to the app. So that you can link to the app. So that you can link to the app that you actually downloaded. But then that's another lesson for another day. So I don't want you to be confused as to what is going on over here. We have Derive Seed Trader, which is another platform that you can use for trading. But then Just to keep it simple, we use MetaTrader 5. So for withdrawal, it's simple. Let's come to this three dot icon over here. And when you go to Cashier, this is where we click on what? We click on withdrawal and deposit. Derive provides you with a wallet account, which is this account over here. If we go to real account, let's go to real account. On real account, by the way, for me, I have done some withdrawal. On real account, this is the wallet account. If we tap on this wallet account over here, this account over here, if we go to CFDs, this is the account that I have here, ready to make trades. Now, when you go to options, we can go to this three dot icon over here and go to Cashier and click on withdraw and click on deposit. When you click on withdrawal, you will be actually what? You have to confirm that you want to withdraw. And deposit, you can what? You can deposit any amount of money, such as from $5. We have so many options for you to deposit. We have deposit via bank wire, deposit via cryptocurrency, deposit buy cryptocurrency via fiat on ramp. This is another option, but it's much difficult if you don't know how to use it. Deposit via payment agents, and you must be careful on payment agents, right? Make sure that if you chat with the person, you are the one who contact them, not them contacting you. Derive deposit with derive person to person, which is peer to peer. This one, you place an advertisement that you wanna deposit money, and someone will accept, and you make a transaction, and the money will be deposited in your account. So the most used option to deposit is this option. If we tap on it, it's simple. It actually lend you. So it will show you how much money you can deposit. If you're someone who's living in South Africa, you can actually use an also option over here. Make a deposit with also option under the bank section. You also have another options to make deposits. So depending on the country that you are in, you will have different deposits method. But then we have what we call e-wallet. This e-wallet will provide you with Neteller and Skrill. Please make sure that if you're using Neteller and Skrill, your card or your bank card has a Visa on it. You can also use your card to deposit here under the card section. Don't use the MasterCard. Make sure that your card actually has a Visa. Right now, alternatively, we can also use other station. We can use all. You can use alternative, and that's all for deposit on Cashier. All right. I believe that makes sense. We go to Traders Hub again, and it's simple. It's simple. It's simple to use a broker, and I trust that you don't have any difficulties using a broker. Now we can change to a demo so that I can show you the derived trader is using the accumulators, vanillas, and tubos, and all that. The CFDs, this is where you get your MetaTrader 5 account, and you'll be able to link it to MetaTrader 5, right? And you can also get as many accounts as you like to get over here. Go to options, we go to derived trader, and on derived trader, this is what we have: accumulators, vanillas, tubos, multipliers, rise and fall. So under my accumulators, you can actually set your growth rate to, if you want to make 5%, which is the maximum, and you can click on OK. Stake how much money you are willing to risk. You can increase to $100. It's up to you. $1,000, and that's all. And you can click on accept. Now take profit. How much money do you want to take? You can actually set take profit to be, let's say, $500, and click on save. Now you want to make a growth rate of 5%, and your stake is actually $100, which means it's the money that you are risking, only $100. And maximum payout is 6,000 here. So we can click on what? You can scroll down like this, and you click on buy. When you click on buy, you have a position here. You can click on position. You'll be able to see the position that is actually taking place at the moment. So you have also a guide. You can see we are making a profit. You can actually decide to close. You can see we made a loss, which means on the volatility 75 it was a loss. So we can go to trade section. For me, I prefer the rise and fall, which is quite simple to do. Rise and fall. On rise and fall, we can set the sticks to be one tick, not stick, one tick. Stake, I prefer to go as to make it 50, make it 50, and click save. And remember, on stake here, profit payout will be actually $49 somewhere there. And we click on let's say it will rise. Now after one tick, if it rise, we make a profit. There we go. You see, it's much easier with it's much easier with the rise and fall. We also have a higher and low. We also have touch or not touch. We have match or differ. The match or differ meaning that you can actually choose to be at that the number that will actually open that will be next after one tick, it will actually differ or it will match. So you can go to differ. You can also go to even and odds, which is something that I really love too. And if I move it to like this, and we see we have a stake of $10, we can increase to, let's say, 50 and save and say it will be odd. And then we can make profit, we can make a loss. You see, now we've made a profit. So we can also have over and under, and which means after one tick it will be over or under, depending on if you say it's gonna be under. You see, if you move it to 1, the money will increase. If it's gonna, you say, if you say we put 5, the money will actually decrease. You can see over and above, some same as like even and odds. So that's all about this. So for me, I prefer that one. And also the turbo is much easier to use. And you say 5 ticks and you say stakes, it's, you can increase the stakes to 50 or 20 and click save. And payout per point, you can increase that to 9, and that's all. And then you say up. You can choose to say down. You can choose to after 5 ticks, and it made a loss here. So that's the turbo. And for me, I prefer the rise and fall. Loss was for $. So anyway, you can test it out and let me know how you actually perform. So we can go back to Traders Hub. We also have the Drive bot here that you can try, and I don't recommend the bot if you don't know much about trading. So we can reset the balance here to $10 to $10K, and that's all. So with that being said, I love you all, and you can find your information by coming to this icon over here, and we can go back because I don't want to share my information about this. It goes. So anyway, that's all. Stay blessed.